I'm going to turn myself into Among Us Red Crewmate and play with the chewed up M&Ms, chewed up pigs, and Technoblades. Ha 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 ha. Toontastic logic activate. Sprites. Yeah, I'm Among Us Crewmate. Start doing the chewed up food thing. I'm going to play with the chewed up Fortnite slurp mushrooms and some Technoblades. Incoming enemy attack. Red Billy, what are you doing? Play with the chewed up Fortnite slurp mushrooms, slurp and Technoblades. I'm gonna punch your hand. That's it. I'll punch you in the face and smear poop on your face. Wow, you poopy sour. Wow, you poopy sour. Yep, I'm stupid poopy sour. Don't mess with Technoblade, Billy. Yay! I love playing with the chewed up Fortnite slurp mushrooms, slurp and Technoblades as an Among Us Crewmate. And then you grounded for another month. Go straight to bed. I did nothing wrong. I like playing with the chewed up Fortnite slurp mushrooms, slurp and Technoblades. Shut up. Stop making fun of the famous YouTuber who reached 16 million subscribers. Go straight to bed now, or I'll give you a punishment. Wow, I want to get to Grand Theft Auto V. Wow, I want to play with the chewed up food again. Wow.